everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is differences between diurnal and nocturnal animals and planets. You must have come across several lists of diurnal and nocturnal animals. But do you know how these animals differ from each other? Many people will be quick to point out that diurnal animals are active during the daytime while their nocturnal concomitant are active at night. The differences between them, though, go well beyond just this fact. Diurnal or nocturnal or both. Some species are diurnal in winter but switch to nocturnal behavior in summer. The Sabotarium mole rat is an apt example of the same. All species on the planet have evolved to make the most of all available niches, which is why some species are at their active best during the daytime, while others are active at night. Animals that are active during the daytime are considered diurnal, while those that are active at night are considered nocturnal. Besides this, there also exist crepuscular animals. Crepuscular animals and catamaral animals. Diurnal versus nocturnal animals and plants. The foremost point of differences between diurnal and nocturnal animals revolves around the time of the day when they are active. Diurnal animals are active during the daytime and sleep at night. In contrast, nocturnal animals are active at night but spend the daytime sleeping. Philippine Tessier. The list of diurnal animals include squirrels, elephants, gorillas, various birds of prey, insects like butterflies and bees, and even humans. On the other hand, the nocturnal animals list is dominated by bats, owls, lemurs, flying squirrels, ocelot, moths, terrorists, etc. Most plants are diurnal as they are primarily rely on sunlight for energy. In these plants, flowers bloom during the daytime and close at night. In nocturnal plants, on the other hand, flowers are closed throughout the day but bloom at night to make the most of the presence of pollinators like bats and moths, which become active only after dark. Angel's trumpet, nocturnal. Some example of diurnal plant species will be Gazinias, Vaccinic, Malau, etc. While the term diurnal is derived from the Latin word diurnus, meaning of the day, the term nocturnal is derived from the Latin word nocturnus, which means belonging to the night. Example of nocturnal plants will include night phlox, moonflowers, angels, trumpets, etc. Some animals have evolved to become nocturnal in order to survive the harsh conditions privileging in their native habitat. Desert species, for instance, only come out of their burrows after nightfall. As the temperature in deserts is mostly unbearable during the daytime, as for diurnal animals in the desert are reduce their activities by resting in the shade when the heat become unbearable. Nocturnal animals species spatial senses. Besides their rod-shaped cells, nocturnal animals have spatial adapted eyesight which helps them see in dark. Their eyes are bigger in proportion to their head and body, and their cornea is relatively larger than that of diurnal species. This feature is treasure, and certain species of owls, nocturnal animals, also boast of a well-developed senses of smell and hearing. In fact, species like bats and owls use their senses to move around in pitch dark surroundings. Like we said in the beginning, it's all about taking full advantage of available niches. As most birds of prey are diurnal, it makes sense for rounders to restore to nocturnal behavior. The argument also benefits owls, which are among the few nocturnal birds of prey, as there is abundance of prey for them in the form of rodents, and less competition as other birds of prey are diurnal. So that's it for today. Goodbye everyone. Have a good day ahead.